I will deal with this formal business and come back to you. Sir. Yeah. Yeah. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri Bandari Dutta's prayer.
To lay the papers on the table of the House mentioned against my name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Sir, on behalf of my colleagues, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of the business.
Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Sir, with your permission, I wish to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at item number 3 in the revised list of the business.
Sri Hansraj Gangaram Ahir.
महोदय जी, मैं आपकी अनुमति से अपने नाम से सन्मुख आज के पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची की क्रम संख्या 4 में उल्लेखित पत्रों की एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Kiran Rijiju.
With your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list.
Dr. Subhash Ramrao Bamre.
So, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy each of the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business.
Message from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 8th of August 2017 adopted a motion recommending to the Rajya Sabha that Rajya Sabha do agree to nominate 2 members of Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Public Accounts of the House for the unexpired portion of the term of the committee. Vice Shri Shantaram Naik, who retired from the Rajya Sabha on the 28th of July 2017, and Shri Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, retiring from Rajya Sabha on the 18th of August 2017, and do communicate to Lok Sabha the names of the members so nominated by Rajya Sabha.
Now, a petition praying to streamline the corporate social responsibility (CSR) activities undertaken by the public sector undertaking and multinational companies in the country. Secretary General to report.
I beg to report to the House that the receipt of a petition signed by Shri A.K. Roy, a resident of Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, praying to streamline the corporate social responsibility activities undertaken by the public sector undertakings and multinational companies in the country.
Now, a petition regarding modernization of airports by Airports Authority of India. Sir Rita Brada Banerjee to present.
Sir, I beg to present to the House a petition signed by Sri Shaptarshi Dev, a resident of Salt Lake City, Kolkata, regarding modernization of airports by Airports Authority of India.
Reports the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture, Sri Vinay Katiyar.
आपकी अनुमति से कृषि संबंधी विभागीय संसदीय समिति की 39वीं एवं 40वां रिपोर्ट की हिंदी व अंग्रेजी की एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Report of the Department later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal and Steel. Sri Ram Vichar Netam. नहीं, श्री अली अनवर अंसारी।
महोदय, मैं आज के आदेश पत्र में मेरे नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध कोयला और इस्पात संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 32वां प्रतिवेदन के हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
Report of the Department led Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence. Sri Harivansh. No. Sri K.R. Arjunan.
Report and the English versions of the Standing Committee on Defence as listed against my name in today's list of business. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Report of the Department later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy. Sri Shamshar Singh Manas.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table each copy of English and Hindi. Reports of the Departmental Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy, 29th and 30th report of the Standing Committee.
Report of the Department later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour. Sri Ram Narayan Dudi. No. Sri Nasir Ahmad Lawe. Absent. Both absent. Report of the Department later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Railways. Sri Sadish Chandra Misra. Absent. Sri Swait Malik. Absent. Malik है? Swait Malik. हाँ हाँ. प्रश्न करो। आपका सीट पर जाओ। लेकर आपका सीट पर जाओ लेकर।
सर, आपकी इजाज़त से रेल बोर्ड के संबंध में भारतीय रेल हेतु लंबित राशि विषय पर विभाग संबंधित रेल संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 16वें प्रतिवेदन 16वीं लोकसभा की एक प्रति अंग्रेजी तथा हिंदी में सभा के पटल पे मैं रखता हूँ।
रिपोर्ट द कमिटी ऑन द वेलफेयर ऑफ शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स श्री प्रदीप टमटा।
सर, मैं अनुसूचित जाति और जनजातियों के कल्याण संबंधी प्रतिवेदन की वित्त मंत्रालय संबंधी 12वां प्रतिवेदन, भाखड़ा ब्याज प्रबंधन बोर्ड से संबंधित 13वां प्रतिवेदन और गृह मंत्रालय के अधीन विभिन्न अधिनियम संगठनों में अनुसूचित जनजातीय कर्मचारी हेतु सुचारू आरक्षण नीति के क्रियान्वयन और जनसमय अधिकार से संबंधित 14वां प्रतिवेदन सदन पटल में रखता हूँ।
Statements by ministers. Sri Bandaru Dattatreya can lay on the table.
With your permission, I wish to lay the statement on the implementation of recommendations contained in the 17th report of Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour and Demand for Grants 2016 and 17.
Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Naqvi ji.
Oh, okay. Dharmendra Pradhan, you are there.
Sir, I raise to lay on the table of the House the statement listed against my name in today's revised list of business.
Thank you. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Sir, with your permission, I wish to make the following statements. One, the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 127th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on Ease of Doing Business. Two, the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 130th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on Industrial Policy in Changing Global Scenario. And the third, status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 132nd report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on Demands for Grants 2017-18 relating to demand number 11 pertaining to Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry.
Sri Kiran Rijiju.
Sir, I will make a following statements regarding 1. Status of implementation and recommendations contained in 187 report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs on action taken by the government on recommendations, observations contained in 177th report on the Coastal Security Scheme. 2. Status of implementation of recommendations contained in 190th report of the Departmental-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs on action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in 182nd report on rescue, rehabilitation and reconstruction in the aftermath of the floods and landslides in Jammu and Kashmir.
Now, motion for election to the National Board of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Sri Kalraj Mishra.
महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि राष्ट्रीय सूक्ष्म लघु एवं मध्यम उद्यम बोर्ड नियम 2006 के नियम 3 के उपनियम 1 और 2 के साथ पठित सूक्ष्म लघु एवं मध्यम उद्यम विकास अधिनियम 2006 का संख्या 27 की धारा 3 की उपधारा 3 के खंड घ के अनुसरण में यह सभा उस रीत से जैसा सभापति निर्देश दे सभा के सदस्यों में से एक सदस्य को राष्ट्रीय सूक्ष्म लघु एवं मध्यम उद्यम बोर्ड का सदस्य होने के लिए निर्वाचित करने की कार्रवाई करें।
Motion moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Motion is adopted.
मेंबर बोर्ड में नॉमिनेट होंगे, ये यहाँ की राय से होंगे कि आप लोग अपने आप कर देंगे? हाँ, क्योंकि वो सब रख देंगे उन्हीं को। इलेक्शन में वो तो यूनानिमस होंगे, राय से होंगे।
Okay.
मैं मालूम पड़ा आप सब रख दोगे ABCD।
Okay. Now we will take up companies. What is that? Pardon?
Suspend the business of the House.
267,
267, sir. 267, sir.
267?
Yes, we've given a 267 notice, sir.
Sir, correction offense.
खाली क्यों नहीं हुई?
Sir,
so for क्यों ये आया?
Answer correction.
Pardon. Which one?
Answer correction of the minister.
One correction.
One correction.
Show me. Correction. Okay. But let me see. Let me see the.
This one.
I have given a notice under 267, sir.
What is subject?
It is the discrepancies in the 500 rupee.
No, that you said yesterday. And
no, not yesterday. You said give notice, so we have given notice.
That's what I am saying.
No. You said that you give notice. We have given notice.
I'll come to you. Let me finish it. I'll come to you. Let me finish it. I'll come to you. Let me finish it. I'll come to you. Now, statement by Minister correcting the answer to question.
Thank you, sir. I only wish to lay on the table a statement both in English and Hindi correcting the answer to unstart question number 3044 given in the Rajya Sabha on 14th December 2016 regarding export of meat, which is sheep meat. Thank you very much.
Okay. So, no. This resolution also is only, I think, to be moved and passed. There is no discussion, I believe. Then we can do that. After that,
I rise to move the following.
I'll give you. Yeah.
I rise to
I will
move the
allow
following
you.
resolution in pursuance of Section 8A(1) of the Custom Tariff Act, read with subsection 3 of Section 7 of the said Act. The House hereby approves the notification number 56 of 2017, custom dated 30th June 2017, dated 30th June, which seeks to increase the basic custom duty from nil to 10% of the following goods mentioned in the resolution.
So, resolution moved.
जो मोशन आया है तो माननीय मंत्री जी से मैं सिर्फ इतना अनुरोध करूंगा कि वैसे भी मध्यम क्लास के जो अखबार ख़त्म हो रहे हैं, आप इसमें अगर प्रिंट मीडिया प्रिंटिंग पे आप 10% ड्यूटी लगा देंगे तो छोटे अखबार पे वैसे आपने जीएसटी लगा दिया, आपने उनका एडवर्टीजमेंट पे जीएसटी लगा दिया, तो ये वो अखबार चलें कैसे? ये कहीं आपकी नीयत ऐसी तो नहीं है कि आप बड़े अखबारों को जिंदा रखने के लिए छोटे अखबारों को?
ये मेक इन इंडिया के साथ रेलेवेंट है, जो बाहर से ना आए ताकि 10% कस्टम ड्यूटी है,
बाहर से आने वालों पर रोक लगा,
उनके ऊपर ड्यूटी लगे।
तो चाइना से सभी पे ड्यूटी लगा दीजिए, बड़ी तो खत्म हो जाए, रुक जाए, बंद हो जाए।
Okay, resolution moved. I shall now put the resolution, statutory resolution moved by the minister.
You should circulate the resolution.
It is already in the list of business. It is all. No. It is already in the list of business. No. Yeah. ये list of business में पहले ही circulate हो गया है, printed हो गया. It is here. I am also taking from that.
I apologize. But you can't hide it in a very list of business. You have a separate.
Okay, we are not hiding. No. See, nobody is hiding. I think that is. Should I expunge that? When you say it,
I'm not casting aspersion. I'm not casting aspersion. But there's a general,
it is only your suspicion.
There's a general technique, sir, that you can tire people with long, documents that you get.
It is in the list
so that
of
the
business.
essential point can be missed out. I only request the government not to adopt such tactic.
It is listed in the list of business and printed and given to every member. So, motion moved. I shall now put the statutory resolution moved by Minister seeking increase in the basic custom duty from nil to 10% on the items of goods mentioned therein to vote. The question is that those who agree will say aye, those against will say no. I think the ayes have it. The resolution is adopted. Yes. Okay, you say your problem.
Thank you, sir.
I'll come to you also.
Very notice, sir. My notice is there.
No. Let me see that list. Give me that list. No, 267 ka list there.
Sir, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to move
267 notice.
This motion under 267, sir. A country, apart from many other things, is also known for its currency. And
same thing you disallow. Yesterday, yes. 267 इसी वीक में कल आपने जब रखा था तो वो डिसअलाउ किया है चेयर ने उसको अलाउ नहीं किया है चेयर इज सेम इशू
I'll tell you
सेम इशू सर Not allowing. Then what is going on?
ये आपकी ruling है, तो फिर वो. It is like this. It is like this. I will explain the position clear. No, I will explain. Sit down. Yesterday you raised it on a point of order.
Yeah.
Then I said this cannot be raised on a point of order. But I advised or suggested give proper notice. And proper notice, if he has given proper notice only, I will allow. But in a proper notice, I think I mentioned also the rule, which should be the rule. I didn't say 267. But if he gives on 267, I will have to disallow it. If it is on some other rule, I will have to consider it. But he says 267. So let me hear and take the decision. Yes? No, my point is, yesterday I advised to give proper notice. I don't mean 267.
I have given notice under 267, sir.
You are notice?
Yes.
Under 267. No, 267 means I can hear you 1 minute and take a decision. That's what I am saying.
My notice is also there.
Eh?
My notice is there, sir.
No, I cannot allow all. I cannot allow all. Once I reject the subject, it is gone.
Sir,
I said it is not on point of order, not allowed. 267, but...
Sir, a very serious situation.
No, my question is, have you given notice under 267 or 167? You say that.
I have given notice under 267, sir.
267?
Yes.
That means suspension of the business to discuss the issue.
Yes, sir.
There I can listen to you 2 minutes and take the decision.
Yeah, sure, sir.
After that you have to keep quiet.
Fine, sir.
Okay?
That we will decide.
2 minutes I can hear. 2 minutes I can hear. That's all. That's the rule to everybody. That is the rule to everybody. Yeah, please.
Sir,
2 minutes.
Sir, we are confronted with a very serious situation in this country for the simple reason that I have discovered that though the Reserve Bank of India on its website, which is paisabolta.rbi.org, has set out all the features of the 500 rupee currency note, including its size, which is 55 millimeters by 150 millimeters of the 500 rupee note, and 66 millimeters by 166 millimeters of the 2000 rupee note. We have discovered that there are several notes which are in the public domain, which are published by the Reserve Bank of India, with different dimensions. And I can give you some of the dimensions which are entirely contrary to what is set out in the RBI website. The 500 rupee notes that I have, and I just have a few of them, one particular one has a length of 151.5 millimeters instead of 150. The second one has a length of 152 millimeters. The third one has a length of 150.5 millimeters. The fourth one has a length of 153 millimeters. Now I'd like to know what are those machines in which these notes are published. And what's going on. Because all this is done very scientifically, and it's never happened before. If you look at the size of a dollar note, you will never find a difference between $1 note and another dollar note. Or, for example, a euro, or any other note that you see anywhere in the democratic world, and even in our country, this has never happened. Now, we would like to know which machines are printing these notes, and where are they being printed, under whose supervision are they being printed. Because just 4 printing presses in India. 4 printing presses in India. One is in Devas, another one is in Nasik, another in Calcutta, and another one in Mysore. We don't have a 5th printing press. So which printing press is printing these notes which are of different sizes than are set out in the Reserve Bank of India website?
Okay, now.
And this is a very serious matter.
All right. No, my problem is... No. We are not going to the merit now.
Why not?
We are not going to the merit now.
No, sir, they are not counterfeit.
They'll have to answer.
In fact,
now,
sir, they are not counterfeit.
Now, Honorable Member Kapil Sibal ji, now see, I heard you. The position is that I cannot agree to suspend the business for discussing this. If you want another notice.
Sir, you must tell us why.
I am not going to suspend the business.
Sir, look at the seriousness of the situation.
I am not going to suspend the business. I am not going to accept it. I'll have to.
सुनिए सर,
I will. No, please. No. No, listen.
Sir, legislative
This is all. See, this can all be. See, this should be, if you want, discussed under a proper notice. Now listen. Now the notice he has given is 267, which is for suspension of the business for the day, and the chair has disallowed that now. That it is because the chair feels if it is to be discussed, it should be under some other rule. 167, I have no problem. Yeah, I have.
You have the power to convert 267 to 176. You know that you have the power. I've also given a 167 to a 267 notice. Sir, you have the power. The power is resided in you. There are three notices. Sir, there are three notices. 1, 2, 3.
See,
you have the power to convert 267 to 176. Use it.
See,
the issue is serious.
You have the right and freedom to give a notice under 167. Why don't you use that?
I've given you. No. I've given. My notice is there.
If 167 notice is there, we will examine it.
Sir,
I have no problem.
There are three notices there for 267.
No, I only said.
Is my notice there?
No, yes, it is there. But I said in 267 I am not allowing.
No.
I am not allowing. I heard the subject.
Sir,
I am not allowing 267. But I said if it is 167, we can examine it.
176, sir. Not.
Yes. No, even is 176 or 167, I am not worried.
Sir.
No, that is not my concern.
Sir.
Okay. That is not my concern. It can be 167 also.
Sir.
I am not worried.
You have the power.
No. Now for 267, sense of the house will not be taken up. The chair will decide. Chair will decide. Chair will decide. No, the solution is, if you want to discuss, bring under 176 or 167. Both, I have no problem. I have no problem. In one there will be, see. Your notice there. I will tell you whose notice are there. Notice is there. Not allowed. 267 not allowed. अरे मैंने बोला अलाउ नहीं किया है. आपका नोटिस है, डिसअलाउ कर दिया. मैं क्या करूं? डिसअलाउ कर दिया. मैं क्या करूं?
Without reading it, how can it be done, sir? सुन तो लीजिए. सर, इस देश में जब एक इकोनॉमी चलाई जा रही हो, रिजर्व बैंक ने अगर ये लोग छपते, इनके साइड पे फर्क नहीं हो सकता था. ये कहीं ना कहीं.
Why you repeat? No, sit down. Now let me pass on to business. Can I? Yeah.
Please call for legislative business. Legislative business.
Bill.
Yes.
I'll take up the bill.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Sir.
No, see. Yes, what is Sharma ji? Yeah. What is Sharma ji? No, please. No. I will pass. That is not good. No. No, please. No, please. Please go back. अरे दो बिल पास करना है. What is the need of this?
Sir,
can be in 167 only.
Sir, legislative business. Sir, legislative
then
business.
Then go back? Then they will go back? Okay, you assure me. They will go back. You assure me. Take them back. No, take them back. You take them back, I will allow you. Take them back, I will allow you.
Sir, legislative business.
Both you cannot have.
Sir, legislative business.
You take them back.
Sir,
no, please.
Sir, there is a consensus that at 2 p.m. we discuss Companies Amendment Bill, Banking Regulation Amendment Bill, Appropriation 1 and 3 and 4 together.
I agree. I have no problem.
Then please call the Speaker and call the Honourable Minister to move the bill. And if they don't want to discuss, please allow to pass in a din also.
No, please. No, please.
Sahmat,
no, Rajani, please. One
Sir,
second.
Mahasense
One
of the
second.
House.
No, please. Is it your complaint is that I did not allow you to speak. That's all. Call them back. I will allow you and then take up the bill. But I tell you,
they will not shout.
If you violate, I will proceed with the bill. I am telling you.
That has never happened. That has never happened.
No.
Never happened.
You cannot have both.
Don't break the tradition of the House.
See, you cannot have your say and then block others from saying. That I don't agree. No, I am saying I will allow Tiwari and allow Sarmaji also. I have no problem. Let them go back. After that, you allow the business to proceed. I am ready to accommodate.
We will not accept. ये रुके ना. नहीं वो नहीं कह रहे भाई. वो
See, I am only Anna Sharmaji. See, no, Anna Sharmaji, Kapil Sibalji. I am telling you, the chair. See, Sharmaji, 1 minute. See, the chair was listen. Chair, listen. No, let me complete. I will allow you. Let me allow you. I will allow you. See, please. Chair was accommodative. In spite of the fact the chair knew the subject being raised is what is raised yesterday on your point of order. Yet, because it was under 267, I heard Sri Kapil Sibal, honorable member. Only after hearing him, I said that it cannot be discussed under this rule. But I also said it can be discussed under any other rule, 167 or 176, provided they give notice. And if they have given notice, it will be examined. I say that. No, that is a different matter. It will be examined. And then, after that, if Tiwari wanted to speak on, I agree. Anna Sharma also I can agree. But after you speak, you have to ensure that the business is procedural. Then you will not. No. Then cannot. Then I cannot. Then no. You cannot have both. No. That is not fair. That is not fair. It is one-sided. I can't agree to that.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes.
Sir, problem
yes,
is
this.
This is a daily routine. जब भी legislative business आता है, तो ये हंगामा करते हैं और लेजिस्लेटिव बिजनेस पास नहीं होने देते. ये लेजिस्लेटिव बिजनेस सरकार का नहीं है, कोई मोदी जी का नहीं है. ये तो देश के गरीबों के लिए है, देश के किसानों के लिए है, देश के मजदूरों के लिए है और देश के विकास के लिए है. सर, इसको नहीं पास होने देंगे. जब भी होगा कहेंगे हमें पूरा भाषण करने दो, अपना भाषण करेंगे. लेकिन ये जो जिस जनता ने जिस काम के लिए हमें भेजा है, जिस विधायी कार्य के लिए भेजा है, जिस लेजिस्लेटिव वर्क के लिए भेजा है, कहेंगे हम उसे नहीं करने देंगे. तो सर, मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज पास दिस बिल इन दिन. Please pass this bill in din, because only some handful people, sir, don't want to do all this business. That is why, please दिन में पास करिए, क्योंकि ये थोड़े लोग अगर कहेंगे कि साहब हम लेजिस्लेटिव बिजनेस नहीं करेंगे, केवल भाषणबाजी करेंगे तो नहीं चलेगा.
I can't hear. Your own people are shouting.
As directed by you, has already given a notice under 267. Sir,
no, I did not ask him to give under 267. That is his decision.
Sir, it is extremely important
The credibility of the currency of the nation is at stake.
I cannot accept 267. I told.
We can't discuss the most important and I would say the credibility of currency of this country. Two sizes of the same currency.
267. I said I cannot allow.
Four is being circulated, have been placed on the table of the House.
Deputy Chairman, sir.
Matter is of serious.
No, 267. Yeah, please.
Should a point of order be raised to question your decision? Please, you have taken a decision.
Yeah.
Rejecting that.
That's the point. I have already decided.
I am not finished.
This is not fair.
My point of order is,
this is not fair.
Please allow
I have already taken a decision. It cannot be allowed.
Sir, we are prepared to discuss. No. It is the question of credibility of this country.
No.
Credibility of the
That is
currency of
over.
this country.
267 I am not allowing. Very clear.
Sir, why? Sir, is there...
Chair is not bound to give the explanation.
Sir, what will be discussed?
Chair is not bound to give the explanation.
Credibility of the currency of the nation is at stake. What else matter can we discuss?
I told you can give 167 notice, 176 notice.
Sir,
any of those they can be examined.
That it has to be given under some rule. It has been given under the rule of 267.
267 rule says that anyone can give a notice for suspension of the list of business.
Yes.
And it is for the chairman to decide.
Yes, agreed.
And the chair has decided.
We
decided. What do I do?
Chairman and to deputy chairman.
Decided.
What
chairman yes, the chair decided.
Sir, please reconsider. Sir, reconsider. Sir,
no, it is decided.
Sir, we are becoming a laughing stock in the internet global scenario.
Yeah, please.
We are becoming a laughing stock in the global scenario.
No.
So how can there be two sizes of the similar currency note? Four sizes. Sir, how can we discuss any other matter than more serious than this?
Sir, one thing, because we need to resolve this matter, I have a submission to make. And the submission is this. Notices were given yesterday. Chair has given the ruling. Everybody respects the chair. At the same time, the House is governed also by the rule book, which is very important. So as long as the rule committee and the House keeps this provision of 267, Shri Kapil Sibal or Shri Pramod Tiwari are right in giving the notice under that.
Yes.
And the chair has the inherent powers to take a view. You have given a ruling. Many other notices have been given. There are serious doubts about the credibility of the Indian currency. House is going to adjourn in 2 days. Please, if there are 5 kinds of notes, you go to America. If you find dollars in 5 sizes, then come back and tell me. So you can say that, you are the law minister of India. If you will find currency notes of 5 different sizes of the same denomination, then God help us. God help us. That's a very responsible. It is not a fact. Who is printing it? Where are you getting them printed? Those are fundamental questions. Sir, this issue, the House is going to be adjourned sine die day after. We cannot wait for the winter session. So no bill will be taken up until this issue gets resolved.
नोटिस दो जो हमारी समझ में आया कि इससे ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण इस देश में कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है। एक इकोनॉमी ये है, एक करेंसी है जो रिजर्व बैंक में छप रही है, एक करेंसी है जो रिजर्व बैंक के अलावा किसी और फर्मे पे छप रही है।
अरे आपको अगर डिस्कशन चाहिए तो 167 में दे दो और 176 में दे दो, मैं कंसिडर करूँ। हाँ, भाई, I can consider that. 167 का See, now, Mr. Tiwari, सुनिए, आप सुनिए, आप सुनिए, तिवारी जी, अरे आप जरा सुनिए, तिवारी जी जरा सुनिए, Tiwari ji, see, I have rejected the motion. I have rejected the motion on 267. But the rule book says 167, 176. These are also rules for motion. I said you move, I will consider. You give notice, I will consider. Therefore, I have rejected 267. I am taking up the company's amendment bill. Further considers the following motion moved by Sri Arjun Meghwal on the 2nd of August. What is the name? Who is to go? कोई name शुरू किया. Speech. आप बोलने चाहते हैं? Try. You try.
ठीक है. मैं
try.
Motion already moved. Motion has been already moved.
Motion already moved. Already moved. Ajay Sanjay ji, try to speak.
बिल पास करिए.
House is adjourned for 15 minutes. Adjourned for 15 minutes.